Welcome to 12712 Sagewood Drive in the amenity-rich Grand Palm. Come on in, I'll give you a sneak peek. This spacious Glory 2 floor plan is completely open, lends itself beautifully to that real Florida indoor-outdoor living.
Relax at home in your own oasis or head out and enjoy all that Grand Palm has to offer. 20 plus miles of trails, multiple pools, tennis courts, pickleball and bocce courts in 2 separate amenity campuses. There's a full social schedule and even an adventure island, great for fishing and kayaking.
This is currently the most affordable 3-2 single family pool home in Grand Palm. So get in touch if you'd like all the details.